Welcome to Intel Innovation 2021, and I'm thrilled to have you join us here today live. Well, sort of. I wish we could all be together in person, but not quite yet, so hopefully soon. Today, we are going to take you on a journey from silicon to superpowers. The geek is back at Intel.
Now more than ever, people depend on their PCs to learn, work, create, and have fun. And it's vital that PCs reflect the real-world multi-use experiences people do every day in order to keep up with their busy lives. To stay ahead of the growing demand for compute performance, PCs must become not only faster, but more purposeful and adaptive. Introducing the all-new 12th Gen Intel Core processors. Intel's most significant shift in x86 architecture in more than a decade. These processors introduce Intel's first performance hybrid architecture with two all-new Core microarchitectures instead of one. The Performance Core, or P-Core, is the highest performing CPU core Intel has ever built, maximizing single-thread performance and responsiveness. The Efficient Core, or E-Core, delivers scalable multi-threaded performance plus efficient offload of background tasks for modern multitasking. In order for these cores to work seamlessly with the operating system, Intel has built new intelligence directly into the hardware called Intel Thread Director. By carefully monitoring and analyzing in real time, Thread Director guides the operating system to place the right application thread on the right core at the right time to deliver incredible performance and responsiveness. Based on the workload, background activities and tasks that can be run in parallel like image rendering may be efficiently offloaded to the E-cores, unlocking the massive performance and responsiveness of the P-cores for compute-intensive workloads like 4K gaming and 3D design. 12th Gen Intel Core processors are Intel's revolutionary new approach to x86 architecture. Dynamic, adaptive, and purpose-built for real-world performance, unleashing human potential like never before. 12th Gen Intel Core processors, delivering superior performance where you need it most.